Welcome everyone to the Amoolah-keto and low-carb channel. Today I'll be making my favorite keto and low-carb coconut macaroons. So straight into the ingredients. Into a bowl we will need 1 cup of room temperature egg whites and whisk the egg whites into a soft peak. Then we're going to add 1 cup of your preferred keto appropriate sugar or sweetener. For this recipe I would suggest either monk fruit or stevia, which will work better than allulose, and then whisk again into stiff peaks. After whisking, I am now going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. And to get that inner softness and that lovely crunchy outer texture, I am going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of xanthan gum powder. Then we will need to add 2 cups of desiccated or shredded coconut. And gently fold in the coconut, and in the meantime I have preheated the oven at 160 degrees Celsius. Now it's time to shape our coconut macaroons. Today I'm going to use an ice cream scoop. Scoop the mixture and place onto a baking tray lined with parchment paper, and we're going to place into the oven for around 30 to 45 minutes until golden. Our macaroons are ready out of the oven. For me, it took around 40 minutes. I knew they were done from the lovely golden color and the nice crunchy outer texture. Now we need to let them to fully cool down. Making sure our macaroons have fully cooled down, you can see they even still have retained their shape. Now it's time to dip our macaroons in chocolate. Today I am using 90% dark chocolate, which I have melted in the oven. You can use sweetened chocolate, or if you're brave, you can even use 100% cacao dark chocolate, whichever you prefer. Removing the macaroons from the parchment paper, place the base into the melted chocolate and return onto the parchment paper, placing them upside down. After allowing the chocolate on the base to fully cool down, now it's time to drizzle the chocolate onto the top. After allowing the chocolate to fully set, our chocolate macaroons are now ready. They are lovely and crunchy on the outside and chewy and soft on the inside. They're great to serve at parties and special events. Please try them out and let me know. Any questions, please leave them below. I'll be very happy to help, and until next time.